Hello everyone, Meghalaya, Shillong, Northeast to West. Welcome back again, your African boys. Welcome my brother.
Son, aka no nonsense. I'm here with my boss.
Yeah, this is Gabs guys.
Yeah.
And previous we reacted to Rupari song, guys, one of his heart-touching song.
Yeah.
He was with me, guys.
Yeah.
And that song was really so touching and emotional, guys.
Very emotional.
The song was titled Ah Balei. Ah Balei. They said Ah Balei means in Khasi why? Like one.
Yeah, why me? Why?
Yeah, why God created
Yeah,
him like that.
yeah.
So today we are going to check what iehnoh marwei. Leave me never alone. Okay, this is in bracket.
Yeah.
Leave me never alone. This time is with one another uncle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are going to check this out, but unfortunately he's not going to be reacting with me until the full video, guys, because he's fasting.
Fasting.
Yeah, he's Muslim, guys.
I'm not allowed to listen to
Yeah.
music during fasting
This is
periods.
Islam rules.
Yeah.
And fasting started, guys, and he cannot be watching
I'm not
music.
allowed to watch it, yeah,
But
music.
we did few reaction with him, like checking the Northeast beauty, the places. You
yeah.
can go and watch that video. He was with me only.
Yeah.
But for music, I'll be alone, guys. And maybe next day I will invite other friends to be with us, guys.
Yeah.
So thank you, Samsona. Samsona will say bye to you guys.
Bye bye. Stay safe.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
I will watch
for
the video
inconvenience. Okay.
and I will tell him later, guys. I will
Yeah.
tell him, I'll explain to him. Maybe after the fasting, he will do reaction with all the team together,
No
guys.
issue. Yeah.
So thank you, brother. You can go and
Alright,
rest.
thank you guys. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry for the inconveniences. Alright.
Yeah, no problem, sir. It is fasting. You know, during fasting now, he did not eat anything and no drinking, no water and everything. You want to say something? It's okay. He will go and rest. Yeah. Studiorhymes. Elbarwel, Nongkhlaw and rupari. Elbarwel. The uncle is elbarwel and rupari. What iehnoh marwei.
Gad pangan
While I
đang
search
trong
to
ban
contemplate,
cả mình
my
xem
soul cannot
cả
help
ngầu
but
cú
worry
lại
about
kỳ trình lăng
the nation of kings
chính man
against
hát
this world.
ca per thầy agad no
Oh, how I
ngas
will
no
feel
share
if
kay
Vai Jesus,
Lord Jesus,
cha mê
to you
ngài
I
ai
put up my heart.
ngà bưng đem
I humble myself to
ha
you.
jing duai ha jing dum
In midst of darkness
jing kem
and
ja
stillness
trong
of the night,
kami ngà căng
I cry to you, O
cha
Lord.
mê atra
Klem ka bor trong me Ah Balei ngas ngau thu ngam long rap ya nga ya rap Ah Balei wat iehnoh marwei
Ianga marwei. Ianga marwei. Ianga marwei. So inspiring, guys. So lovely.
Ki umba ki wan ban tele yong ru ki be kerthe
Ka prutei ka ki kum ka du yau ba van yen marwei ngam la klem ka bo jong me Ah Balei nas no
ianga marwei. Today I learned it to Khasi what? Ianga marwei. Amazing. Tell me, what does it mean, guys?
Ya Rab Ah Balei Wat iehnoh
What we
Ianga marwei
What we long, ianga marwei. Ianga marwei. Wow, so inspiring, guys. For help and support, you can read them out there. They're really inspiring, and they deserve really good help, guys. I really love this song. I feel so inspired, and this feel like I feel like listening to worshiping song or gospel song, guys. So inspiring. Ianga marwei. It's like, don't leave me alone, like that, right? So amazing, guys. And Rupari Nongrum is becoming now one of my favorite singer, guys. Previous I listened to Ah Balei and I almost cried, guys. This song was so touching and emotional, and I read all the meaning because subtitle was there, guys. I just like, the song is just feels so real. It feels so real, guys, listening to it. And if you are not that really strong, guys, you will cry. You will really cry if you are listening to Ah Balei. You can really cry if you are not that strong, and if you are that so emotional person, you can easily cry, guys. I almost cried. Maybe I cried from inside, guys. In that video I didn't show my tears, but from inside I really felt touching, guys. The song was really so emotional, guys. And I'm really so happy to see such people who are really having the physical problem, but spiritually they're great. And I'm so happy also to see their talent. Both of them, they have so amazing voice, guys. This is really God gifted talent, guys. And I can only pray for them, and you can also pray for them, put them in your prayers. And elbarwel, nongkhlaw, it's really good and great to see him here also with Rupari, guys. That is something inspiring. Love from Africa, guys. Do support them out, and don't forget subscribe to my channel, guys, to see a lot of Shillong Khasi music, guys. Love from Africa. Thank you so much.